This is my brand new Eastern Scythe bike. Just got it today. Real good. Rode it around with my friends for a little bit. Get used to it. Well, I'll start off with the tires and rims. In the front, we got the dirt tire with a single wall rim, which I like because the double wall, not a little bit more weight, not much, but it brings prices up a lot more, and you don't really need it as bad in the front unless you're like crazy, doing crazy shit. But I'm not really doing that. This is my first real bike. But in the back, we got the double wall rim with a slick tire. The only thing thing is, I don't really trust it. Like, you might pick up a nail or something, or like a little piece of glass might pop it. So that's the only thing I have to say about the tire. The pegs, nothing special, regular black pegs. Got the Eastern plastic pedals, all work good. Crank and bottom bracket, all good stuff. Like it. I like this chain wheel. Got a nice little design on there. Handlebars, all stock. As I said, everything's just stock. The full alloy. The stem and the crank and the headset, all good. Nice, cool looking. Kind of got like a little air filter kind of look to it. The forks, 4130 full chromely alloys, as you can see. Well, this is my Eastern Scythe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.